Hey everybody, it's a great day in Everett. It's a beautiful spring morning. I'm Janet Spisak, Keller Williams. I have a rare opportunity. I'm bringing 2 townhomes to you, going live today. They are a little over 1,600 square feet each. Each one is priced at $439,000, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. We're gonna go take a look. We just did an open house on that side virtually, and I'm gonna do another one on this side so you can check this one out. Let's flip this camera around and see what's in store. Sweet little entrance. Oh, I have blue tape on the door. Don't mind that, I'll get rid of it. All right, so this one has wood floors in the entry and then carpet in the other parts of the house. Headed upstairs, we have these great vaulted ceilings that make it really bright and airy. This one has kind of northwest warmth to it. We've got a surround sound that will stay with the house. Gas fireplaces in both. Big living area, high ceilings. Heading into the kitchen, we have a cute little kitchen, gas appliances, little dining room, powder room here. I don't know if I showed you the powder room in the other one. Cute little powder room. This one's been updated. So we'll walk around the kitchen wall through the dining room and check out this side of the living area. And then I'll show you this cute outdoor, different but similar. So again, we have new roofs in 2014, 14 or 16, what did I say? I think 2014 new roof, new deck in 2018, and new wow, what's that? A fence. We got a new fence in 2019 and 20. So so that's what's new. And then again, we have the leafless gutters. Let me turn this around. We have the leafless gutters, so it's convenient. You don't have to clean out your gutters. Got that little cap bridge on them. And then let's just take a look at this yard. They're just slightly different. This one's a little smaller. It doesn't have the side. And then they have this nice big deck and grassy area. Happy little trees. I love that. My favorite. All right, let's go back inside and see the rest of it. Let's head upstairs. Let's see what upstairs has to offer. You want to see in this door? Nice little closet. I like the windows up there too because that adds extra light. All right, let's go see what upstairs has in store. See the main bath. It is a full bath as well, like the other side. And then let's step into the master. Again, huge master. Lots and lots of room. Newer blinds on this window. Got the walk-in closet over there. Excuse me. Additional linen closet inside the bathroom. That's neat. This is 3/4 shower only. And then let's go see the other bedrooms. Got linen closet here. There you go. There's one bedroom. Very large bedroom. Another very large bedroom. And that's it. So a little over 1,600 square feet, 1,608, I believe. And starting price is $439,000. We are reviewing offers on Monday the 19th. So if you know somebody that wants to take a look at it, give me a call. My number is 425-268-3353, and I would love to talk to you or anyone that you know that might be interested in this. Have a great day.